Want to unlock all the cool perks of Discord Nitro, but only have an Apple gift card burning a hole in your pocket? First, make sure the Apple gift card is already redeemed to your Apple ID balance. This is crucial. Open the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. Next, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring you to your account details. You should see your Apple account balance displayed here. If the gift card amount isn't reflected, you might need to redeem the gift card first. There's lots of tutorials online on how to redeem those, even from Apple, so search how to redeem your gift card. Okay, now that your Apple account is loaded, head over to the Discord app on your device. Make sure it's up to date. Navigate to your user settings. You can usually find this by tapping on your profile picture or a settings cog icon, often located in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and find the Nitro option. Tap on it. Choose the Discord Nitro plan you want, either Nitro or Nitro Basic. Tap the subscribe button for your choice. When the payment sheet pops up, confirm that your Apple account balance is being used as the payment method. If not, you may need to adjust the payment settings within your Apple ID to prioritize the balance. Finally, confirm the purchase. And that's it. You've successfully used your Apple gift card balance to unlock Discord Nitro. Enjoy all those awesome perks everyone's been talking about. Now you know #Discord Nitro, #Apple gift card.